Good morning, everybody. Thank you for clicking on this video and thank you for being here. We've got a big day ahead of us today. It is July 13th, Monday morning. It's not quite 8:30 yet, but we're already out on the road. We're fixing to have to meet a couple people. Got a couple fires to put out first thing this morning. We do have a big job planned on a shoulder work. So it's going to be a pretty good video. Make sure you guys stick around to watch the whole thing. Push that like button and subscribe if you're into this kind of stuff. And I'll see you here in just a little bit. Of course, we ran out of paint when we needed it. But these fine folks, they are, looks like they're going to be building one chicken house. They're going to start with one, so it may be more after a while. But what we need to do is, this ditch here, you can see that we kind of lined this half of it with that B-stone, but we didn't do the back slope. When it comes off the hill there, it comes down and it washes their side out. So what we're going to do is match it up once I get there. You can kind of see we lined this part, but we stopped here. So we're going to start right here and do the same thing all the way down to the culvert. I'm just going to add a little mark here so the operator knows where to start. And I'll add one down there to where he finishes. And then on the other side of the driveway, we're going to do the same thing about 50 foot. So that's a 24 by 40. What that means is 24 is the diameter of the culvert and the 40 is the length. So it's going to be a little bit wider than what he's got now. It'll probably end up being, I think that's a 30-foot culvert, so another 10 foot will be about right here. And that'll give the trucks a little bit easier of a time pulling in and out. This road is kind of narrow, but they can make it. All right, we're pulling up to the next job. Meta glasses engage. Let's go. Facing down the road. All right. Fixing to get started. Let her bump. And he'll fill that up. I said he'll fill that up. Just make sure we're not leaving a pile in the road though. And then we'll just go forward. There you go. That's Sony's fault. That's why we got a broom out here. Let off your brake. He's gonna have to help. Hold up. There you go. It's beautiful. Looking good. We narrowed that up a bit. There we go. That's beautiful. If you can kind of keep that in line with that white, you're good. That'll be a good gauge for you. And it wouldn't hurt to kind of leave a little bit of a hump, right? Bump it up just a little bit. There you go. He's gonna broom all this off. There you go. If you stay at a steady pace, it makes it easier for him to hold the brakes. And come out towards the ditch when you get a chance. You're good. Fine job. He's getting the last side broomed off. We've just got a little bit of ways to go and we should be done for the day. We're wrapping it up kind of early, but with it being over 100 degrees, I think it's a good time to finish it up. All right, I'm at the next job. We're meeting up with the operator now. I'll switch you to the Meta glasses. We'll look and see what he's doing. He's out here making the ditch look good. We're going about 2/10 of a mile this way, both sides of the road, and then we're going that way as far as you can see, so looks like he's doing a pretty good job. Get out of his way here. All right, let's go talk to him. All right, that's gonna do it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed that. We've got plenty more to come. If this is the kind of stuff that you like watching, or if this is a little bit entertaining for you, or if you like to kind of see what goes on at these type of job sites, the road department, stuff like that, go ahead and push that like button and subscribe. I apologize for being gone for so long. In my last video, I talked about how we had another kid and we were moving and we just had so much stuff going on. I took like a 9-month break on all this, but we're back now. We're gonna try to make a video a week if possible and try to stay on the uploading schedule. But if you've made it this far, let me know down in the comments what your favorite part of this video was. If there's some stuff I need to work on, if I need to do something a little bit different, let me know down below, because I am very new at this and I want to get some, I don't care if it's negative feedback, just any type of feedback to let me know how I can improve. I'll definitely do it. I appreciate you guys. Peace.